Meaning of LMS.
LMS. LMS.
LMS stands for Learning Management System. It is a software application or web-based technology used to plan, implement, and assess a specific learning process. An LMS provides a platform to deliver educational courses or training programs. Some key features and uses of an LMS include 1. Course management. Instructors can create and deliver course content, materials, quizzes, and assignments through the LMS. 2. User tracking. It tracks user data such as course progress, performance, and engagement levels. 3. Communication tools. It facilitates communication between instructors and students through discussion forums, messaging, etc. 4. Assessment and grading. Instructors can conduct assessments, automatically grade assignments/tests, and provide feedback. 5. Reporting and analytics. It generates reports on student performance, course efficacy, and other analytics. 6. Integration with other systems. Many LMSs can integrate with student information systems, SIS, authoring tools, video conferencing apps, etc. Popular examples of LMS platforms include Blackboard, Canvas, Moodle, Edmodo, Google Classroom, and many others. LMSs are widely used in academic institutions, corporations, and organizations for e-learning and training purposes.
LMS. LMS.